Some words of encouragement for me to continue on today. It's the next day, Sunday. I am exhausted and sore and having a hard time getting motivated to continue, but I have to. The house is a mess. I've been purging some things. So yeah, this is some encouragement today. Why would you want to take a nap on plastic bags? Goofy cat. All right, it's the second day. It's Sunday. Kind of tired from yesterday. Trying to get up enough energy and my muscles to start working again to get this side of the room painted. So far today, I moved that stand that was there that had my TV on it. I moved it over to the other side. And I've been bringing up little things because pretty much the bedroom side is done. I just got to put stuff back. And as I'm bringing stuff up, I'm going through it and purging stuff for the yard sale for the summer. So trying to get motivated and energy to get this room painted, or this side. I'm also trying to do dishes and laundry, taking care of cats. And tomorrow's Monday, and I don't want to feel exhausted and cranky for Monday at work. So I'm just kind of trying to take it easy today. So, yeah, that's it. Okay, so I'm trying to get enough energy to paint these walls on this side. I've pulled everything away from the walls into the middle, and I've patched up all the little holes with some spackle. Just letting that dry a little bit. And something you don't realize when your room is packed full of crap other than the dirt is other issues. So this closet here, my boyfriend at the time built it into this bedroom. So it's not original and it's not like a foundation problem, but got some cracking going on here. And so in addition to cleaning, organizing, and rearranging and purging, there's also repairs that have to be done that you just don't notice on a daily basis. But all the holes are patched on the wall, which were just from little push pins holding things up. So, yeah, thanks. Alright, so I got some energy to paint the other half of the room. You can't see. There's just such a light variation of color. You can't really tell. But yeah, finally got the energy, so let's see what happens. Okay, the whole room has been repainted. Yay! I did it. It's not a whole lot of different color, but it's done. And all the black marks and all the different marks you get, little pinholes, I still got that to do something about. Alright, yay! Alright, so I just vacuumed this side, and it's time to clean the carpets, and I am done for today. What time is it? It's 5:12. So when I get done with this, I'm going to finish up the laundry and make some dinner and take a bath and go to bed. Thanks, guys. Okay, it's Monday night. Just got off work. Brought the shelf up from the garage. Had to really clean it. So that's the start with the art supply nook. Alright, to be continued. Okay, so there's the supply nook. And I have the one I brought up from the garage. And then the ones that I already had that were on this side, I put them over here now. Scary. So it's coming along. Slowly. Stay tuned. Alright, so I've brought up all my canvases. I put them on this shelf here. I actually got a little bit of space on top, but I am so surprised that I have that many. It's nuts. And the reason why I have so many of these here is because one time I was at Walmart and they had all these packs for $5 each. I could not pass it up. So yeah, there's all kinds. And then I did leave a space here because I knew I wanted to put these back here. They're longer. So I still gotta fill this up. But I'm going to quit for tonight. My goal tonight was to get this shelving unit up here out of the garage, get it cleaned off, and get my canvases out of the living room and up on this shelf. So there we go. Stay tuned.